Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm Anne Marie and today I will be reviewing the Vaseline Blue Seal Pure Petroleum Jelly, the original one. So once more, I'm reviewing the Vaseline Original Petroleum Jelly. This is going to be one of the best review for this product here on YouTube. Now, if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, kindly subscribe as well as to hit that bell for instant notification. Now, guys, let me say this. I'm sure you are familiar with Vaseline. Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching this video. Maybe you're a newbie, but let me tell you something. I am sure 90% of us had a Blue Seal in our medicine cabinet when we were growing up, or parents had it there. You know, especially if we grew up with our grandmothers. I remember my grandmother would have, a little Vaseline, petroleum jelly, and she would use it for almost everything. So I'm going to tell you some of the things that you can actually use the Vaseline petroleum jelly for. And then I'll tell you what I think about it personally. And I'll tell you some ways that I've used it. So it is great for the skin. It's great for the skin because it helps to prevent water loss. If you lose too much water from the skin, your skin gets dry. So this helps to protect the skin to prevent water loss. It's great for very dry and very chapped skin, especially in winter time. So that's one thing that I like about it. Personally, I haven't used it in winter or summer. I bought this to do a facial treatment, and that treatment is right here on my channel. And next thing that you can use it for is for cracked lips. Winter or summer again. Some people get cracked lips in winter, very dry lips until they crack. Some people get that in winter. All you have to do, put a little on your fingertip like this and rub it on your lips. There you go, top and bottom. And if your brows are a bit wild, you just get some Vaseline petroleum jelly and you just put it on it like there. Tame those wild brows with Vaseline petroleum jelly original. I just want you to know though that this video is not sponsored by Vaseline. No, it's not. I went to the store and purchased this with my own money. This is not a sponsored ad for Vaseline. Vaseline, you can have me represent your company if you want. I would be delighted. You're such a great company. Anyway, let's move on. So it's great for wild brows. If your brows are a bit wild, just take some and put it on it just like that. If your heels are cracked, again, just put a little Vaseline on it. You're good to go. Now, when I talk about putting this on dry and cracked skin, I wouldn't encourage you to use it on your face, especially if you have oily skin or very sensitive skin. My skin, for one, is very sensitive, so I'm not putting it on my face at all. But when I was a child, though, I'm sure my grandmother did, but I couldn't do anything then. I didn't have breakouts then anyway. I started getting breakouts as an adult, okay? An adult. Maybe it's the food, the weather, whatever. I don't know, but yeah. Another thing, if you're like a bigger girl and, sometimes you walk and that's that gravity and that friction and your thighs are chafing or chafing, whatever you want to call it, honey. Just get some Vaseline and put it down there, on your thighs. Vaseline is great for like preventing chafing on the thighs or so forth. So that's another way. Something else, if you're doing manicure and pedicure at home, it's great for the cuticle. So if you don't have a cuticle softener, you can just get a little Vaseline petroleum jelly and put it on there. Put it on there. It helps to soften the cuticle. If you are dyeing your hair or relaxing your hair, if you're dyeing your hair, just put a little Vaseline jelly around like your edges. That way the dye won't stain your forehead, right? So it's great for that. And when my mom would relax my hair, when I was a teenager, she would always put some Vaseline. Sometimes she used a regular oil and base like my ears so that the cream will not penetrate my skin. It's also great for exfoliating the lips, not just for keeping it smooth and nice. It's great for exfoliating the lips. So you see, guys, there are so many benefits to Vaseline petroleum jelly. Now, what I like about this, guys, is that it doesn't clog the pores. It doesn't. But as I said, you have to know if your face is sensitive or not. If it's sensitive, don't use it. But I love that it doesn't clog the pores. Something else that I really like about this product is that this brand Vaseline, this is the number one brand that I would recommend. It's very pure. This is pure petroleum jelly, and that's important, guys. This thing that I'm holding, this product that I'm holding, it has gone through triple purification, and purity is guaranteed. Not many companies can guarantee purity, especially when it comes to petroleum, right? So this right here is a go-to. I would definitely recommend it. Let's go to the ingredients. Ingredients is petroleum. Ingredients, petroleum, Vaseline. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yes. And I bought it. I don't know. Is this an expiration date? I think this is a batch code. I'm not sure. I don't want to tell any lie. It says apply daily for soft, smooth, and visible, healthy skin. So it even said it on the packaging that it's great for smooth and healthy skin. I did use this in a Korean facial treatment for one of my videos on this channel, and I was very, very pleased with the outcome. But after a few days, I think I had a breakout, and as I said, it's because I don't think this works well for my face. It may work for yours. I'm not telling you to do it. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a dermatologist or anything like that. Go talk to your doctor. But yeah, I wanted to review it, guys. And it comes in a very nice packaging. You can put it in your bag, especially if it's winter and you know how cold it can get. You can put it in your bag and you can just take a little. If you don't have a body butter, which, we have a lot of natural handmade body butter at our store, guys, and the information is always below. But it's winter, you don't have your body butter, you can just put some pure Vaseline petroleum jelly, just like that. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate you guys. Kindly subscribe to my channel. I'm a lot of fun. And I would appreciate it if you subscribe. That way you can help me to grow this channel and go viral. Anyway, I love you. I appreciate you. God bless you. My channel offers encouragement, motivation, inspiration, reviews, encouragement, and crazy stuff.